Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I am going to show you about some computer topics. Nowadays, some of the computer users having shown some of computer desktop icon. Once they completed installing the new Windows such as Windows 7 or Windows 10, they lost their Windows icon. So viewers, today I am going to show you how to set up it and display on the computer screen.
So guys, as you can see, here is no icon on the screen. This is the issue. So guys, today we'll setting up it. How we'll configure. To go into your start menu, click on, then find the personalization, click on here, then the window will show you like that, and click on themes. Just scroll down. As you can see, related settings, desktop icon settings, click on. So guys, as you can see here, something show you like desktop icons, computers, user files, network, recycling, control panel. So guys, you can click which is your very important. So I click all the fives. Okay, just click on, then apply, and okay, and just to minimize. You see, here is showing this all icons, PC, control panels, and network, and your administration. So guys, this is a very simple topics. It's really two very common issue. Okay friends, I just saw how to change the settings. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please share to your friends and subscribe to my channel for further video. If you have any question on this video, please leave your comment